वैयासिक
विद्यार्थमाश्रमार्थं च विप्रयोगोऽथवा सकृत् प्रयोजनविभेदेन प्रयोगोऽपि विभिद्यते श्राद्धार्थभुक्त्या तृप्तिः स्यात् विद्यार्थेनाश्रमस्तथा अनित्यनित्यसंयोगः उक्तिभ्यां खादिरे मतः
विद्यार्थम आश्रमार्थम च विद्यार्थम आश्रमार्थम द्विप्रयोगः अथवा सकृत् प्रयोगः अपि प्रयोजन विभेदेन विभिद्यते संशय See, Mumukshu has to do ashrama vitya karma. Every Brahmana, whether Mumukshu or Bhubukshu, has to do what? Nitya karma. That means whether no problem with respect to who is not a Mumukshu. But Mumukshu should he do twice Nitya karma. One for the sake of what? Vidya, other for the sake of Nitya karma. Should he do that? Says Vidyartham, one for the sake of Vidya. Then Ashramartham, Nitya Ashrama Karma. Whatever ashrama he is there, that ashrama karma. Say, Viprayoga, should it be done twice? To be done? Athava, or Athava, he says, Sakrut. Sakrut means only once. Say, Prayojana Vibhedena. Prayogaha api, Prayoga means here, Anushtana. Anushtana also differs, that is, means it is twice. Anushtana also twice. Prayogaha api, Anushtana also says, Prayojana Vibhedena. Prayojana is Phala. Phala Vibhedena. One for the moksha. Moksha means antakarna shuddhi, etc. Other for what? The nitya karma, as such. Vividyate, differs. So this is Pura Paksha, for which answer is given. One done serves the purpose of two, for which illustration is given. Shraddhartha bhuktya triptisya. Shraddha. For Shraddha, cooking was done. Because Shraddha cooking is different from the normal cooking. Because Shraddha cooking means some sad thing is there, etc. Sad thing. And all people don't eat, all Brahmanas don't cook. Shraddha Anna is not eaten by them. But one has to eat as that. Now, he has become for the sake of Shraddha. Do you mean to say he will not get appeased by the food? Or you say, this is for Shraddha, this is for hunger appeasement. He has to eat twice? No. So Shraddhartam bhuktya triptisya. Contentment is there. Tatha, in the same manner. Vidyarthena ashrama. Karma done for Vidya. Evam vividishanti brahmana, etc. That is the Vidya. Nitya karma for ashrama also gets done. But sir, one thing, there will be Nitya Sanyoga, Anitya Sanyoga. Karma being one and the same, it will get connected to Nitya Karma. And Mukshu has to do his Anitya Karma. Occasional. And this is permanent. How come one and the same karma be Nitya karma and anitya karma. How such connection of nityatva and anityatva can be with one and the same karma? It says anitya nityasya yogaha uktibhyam. Because of the uktis, statements. What are the Yavad Jivam Agnihotram Jivuya, whose ukti it is Shruti. Evam Vivedishanti Brahmanaha Yajnena Dhanena Tapasam, whose ukti it is. So the Shruti has said so, so therefore one and the same thing is applicable for both as such. So for which illustration given, Khadire Yat Mataha. Such prayoga or connection of one and the same thing with the khadira. So that what is that khadire prayoga? It's like this. There are two Shruti statements. Khadiraha yupam bhavati. Yupaha bhavati. Khadira is particular wood. Means yupaha bhavati. Khadira is yupa means. The yupa means sacrificial post is made of khadira. The general statement. Then it says khadiram viryakamasya yupam purvita. Viryakama, one who wants virya, he should make the yupa made up of wood or khadira. Nitya or anitya? Anitya. For a specific purpose. That is for general purpose. One and the same. Why Shruti says? So that's all. Nitya Shruti is there. Yavad Jivam Agnihotram Jivuya. Therefore Nitya Karma. Whereas if Vividisha Shruti is there, it is for Mumukshu as well. So that's all one and the same. But what should be there? Shruti statement must be there. Statement must be Vihitatvacha Ashrama Karmapi Cha is in the sense of two Pura Paksha Nirasaha, to refute the Pura Paksha. Either who the Mukshu should do twice, or Nitya Karma need not be taken to. It is meant for what? Mumukshu, either of the Pura Paksha. To Nirasa says Ashrama Karma means api is there. Api means even by a Mumukshu. Even by a Mumukshu, what should be done? A Mumukshu napi Ashrama Karma, that is Anushteyam, add there Anushteyam. Ashrama Karma should be taken to. Ashrama Karma should be Anushteyam, should be taken. So why Vihitatva? Vihitatva. Yavad Jivam Shruti is there. Yavad Jivam Agnihotram Jivuya. So Ashrama Karma has to be taken. Caption. Same as the topic of Adhikarana. One who is not Mumukshu also must do Ashrama Karma. Further, to take into account that objection raised, Yaduktam by Pura Paksha or Akshepaka, Na Evam Sati. Evam Sati means if Ashrama Karmas are Nitya Karmas, and because of Nitya Shruti, Evam Sati, Esham Nitya Karmana Vidya Sadhanatvam Naivam Sya. Naivam Sya. It cannot become the Vidya Sadhana. Iti Ataha Uttaram Patati. If such objection has come, and therefore Sutrakara gives the answer. Sahakarittvena cha. So, cha. Cha means api. Sahakarittvena. Sahakar means as an associate. As an associate. one who is helpful. I asked someone, what is your designation? Associate President. Then Chaprasi also is Associate President. So that always they try to connect at a higher level so that person feels little great. Olden days they used to say executive, etc. उसके भी ऊपर executive के भी ऊपर associate, सहकारी, helpful. So that is one who renders help. Like assistant, that's, but assistant means this little degrade, lower level. So that is, these nitya karmas through chitta shuddhi becomes helpful towards gain the jnana. So how do you say that they can't become the sakari? So that will say sakaristvena, being associate, avashya nityani karmani avashya manushteyani. Nitya karma should be certainly. Why? They are enjoined by Yajnarishati Vividisha Shruti, they are enjoined by the Vividisha Shruti. Take caption. That Sahakaritvena, Ratnaprabha last line, Saha means what? Militva, together. Shuddhi Dwara, through the Chitta Shuddhi, Vidyam Purvanti, produce the Vidya. It is Sahakarini Karmani. So therefore, the karmas are associating nature. Continue the caption. Karmas are associates of Atma Vidya. Sutra ends next page. Karmas are associates of Atma Vidya. Next page, Sutra 33 ends. Continue. So therefore, whether you do it for the Nitya Karma or for Vividisha, so to the both effect, Shruti and Smriti is as instances are there. Sarvathapi te eva ubhayalinga te eva sarvatha api ubhayalinga te api sarvata api add anushtheyaha ubhayalinga te eva means what? Agnihotradayaha eva yajnadayaha eva. Agnihotra, yajna, dana, tapa, karma, all these things. Te eva sarvatha api, whether you do at nityatvena or vidyarthatvena, whether as a nitya karma or for the sake of vidya. So neither way, anityatvena, vidyarthatvena, anushtheyaha, they should be performed. To this effect, he says, Ubhayalinga, for this linga, proof, evidence of both Shruti and Smriti are there. You see, Shruti is yajnena danena, and anashita karma phalam karyam karma karoti asa sannyasi sacha yogi cha na niragni na chakriya. Gita is there. So both Shruti and Smriti quotations are there. Caption: same karma is enjoined to both mumukshu and ashrami. Sutra end. Same karma is enjoined to both mumukshu and ashrami. Sutra end. Same karma is enjoined to mumukshu and ashrami. Next page, end Sutra 34. Line 3 Ratnaprabha. ब्रह्मचर्यादि कर्मणां प्रतिबंध ध्वंस द्वारा विद्यार्थे लिंगम आह. Brahmacharya karma, which are nihita karma, what they do, they destroy the pratibha obstructions in producing the Atma Vidya, and therefore They are meant for what? Vidya only to this linga is being given. Anabhibhavam cha darshayati. Cha anabhibhavam darshayati. Cha means apicha, and also anabhibhavam aparayajayam. He is not getting overpowered by pratibandhas, kleshas, afflictions, which hinder the Atma Jnana. So, not getting overpowered by kleshas, afflictions, pratibandhas, which hinder the production of Atma Jnana. He is not overpowered by them. So, tacha darshayati, pratipadayati, establishes, for which Shruti etc. we see in the Bhashya. Caption: Shrautalinga to prove that the same karma is enjoined to both Mumukshu and the one who is Amumukshu. Shrautalinga to prove that the same karma is enjoined to both Mumukshu and the one who is not a Mumukshu, Amumukshu.